Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to show you how to make a mosque for school project. We made this mosque using thermocol, cardboard pieces, self-adhesive wallpaper, straws, beads and some decorative plants. You can use cardboard boxes that you have at home and cut them according to the sizes as shown. Then to make the doors and windows, I made a paper draft using the measurements as shown. Then marked it on the cardboard piece and cut the pieces out using a cardboard cutter. We can cover it using the self-adhesive wallpaper. This is easily available in most online stores. In the same way, mark and cut the other pieces as shown. Once all the pieces are covered, you can glue them to the thermocol. I have used both Fevicol and B7000 glue. To make the mosque look more beautiful, I have used some paper straws and beads. Cut the paper straws as shown and glue the beads on top. Here we have also added a border using thermocol. To make the dome, I have used some cardboard pieces and a circular lid, and then I have covered it with clay and white acrylic paint. To make the minarets, we will be needing these things. Follow the steps as shown. And these are some plastic lids which I am painting with white acrylic paint. Our minarets are now ready. For the windows, I have used this white net. And finally, these are some of the decorative plants that I bought to make the mosque look beautiful. We can glue them to the thermocol using a double-sided tape. I have also glued the dome and the minarets to the mosque using B7000 glue. And finally, our mosque is now ready, and you can see it looks beautiful. I hope you all liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.